ideally suited to modern high-rise structures. Available in both shallow and deep decks, the Comfloor range represents some of the most economical floor solutions and is arguably the most efficient choice of profile currently available anywhere in the world.
A composite floor is one in which the steel deck mechanically bonds with the concrete topping, so that the steel and the concrete work together to form the floor structure. The principal benefits of building with composite steel flooring system are increased speed of construction. The deck instantly acts as working platform, construction stage bracing, providing diaphragm action to the floor, reduction in the weight of the floor, overall building height reductions, inherent fire safety property, and the simplicity of attaching building services. Circular embossment in particular reduces the amount of distortion created during the rolling of the deck.
Yes, it is true. Complete work in less time without losing strength.